As I woke up, I heard a yell. Someone said the towers fell. I didn't understand what they meant. Look, Mommy, there's the president. He said that thousands had died. As we watched, I cried, and I thought to myself, should I be afraid?